Thank you for checking in with Maine's Total Weather. I'm meteorologist Sarah Long. We have a storm coming in late Sunday into Monday with wind and rain, and those will be the biggest impacts with this storm, especially the wind. We are looking at about 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, but with the very strong wind and a saturated ground, I'm concerned about downed trees and also limbs, and that could lead to widespread power outages. So the worst of this storm when it comes to the strongest wind and heaviest rain will be between midnight and noon on Monday. So as we head toward the 2 a.m. hour to about 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, that's when our winds will be peaking, especially along the coastline, where we could be looking at gusts at 60 or 60 plus miles per hour. We'll still see wind gusts of 30, 40 miles per hour inland, and that will likely cause some damage as well. But let's talk about your Sunday. During the day, we actually have clouds and a few sunny breaks in Augusta by midday, but also some showers as you head north of Route 2 and back through New Hampshire. We continue to get scattered showers inland through the afternoon, the steadiest rainfall holding off until after dinner time, and then the heavy rainfall arriving after midnight. So again, between midnight and noon, this is when we'll see the brunt of this storm. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, a last round of some steady moderate to light to moderate rain moving through. But by Monday evening, we are starting to clear out. This is a fast moving storm, thankfully. But certainly we have the rain and the wind to contend with. Also thunderstorms out there as we head through early Monday as well. So we have a high wind watch that has been issued for Sunday night through midday Monday for many spots, even into the afternoon. A flash flood watch as well because of that heavy rain. The biggest concern here will likely be power outages, so be prepared.